list in my hand. So, the first person to place in top 10 is contestant number 13, Priyanka Suvedi. Second, we have contestant number 11, Liz Dhaka. The third contestant to place in top 10 is contestant number 4, Sangeeta Guru. The fourth contestant to place in top 10 is Saloni Pradhan. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. Thank you. So, another contestant is Ansu Subedi. Ansu Subedi. The next contestant is Satiksha Shrestha. Satiksha Shrestha. Next contestant is Akriti Koirala. Last but not the least, who is going to be that last contestant to place in top 10? Any guesses? Any guesses? Little bit loud. And the person who is going to be placed in top 10 is Ayushma Giri. Congratulations, beautiful top 10 girls. So with this, we are going to have question answer round. For this, I would like to call Priyanka Subedi to move forward. Priyanka Subedi, move forward in the middle for question answer round. So, Priyanka Subedi will be asked question by Mrs. Chinu Guru.
Hello Priyanka. Hello. It's me here. How are you? Are you ready for my questions? Okay. I asking very simple, short and sweet question for you, okay? Okay, ma'am. What constitute true beauty? फेरि नेपालीमा वास्तविक सौन्दर्य कसरी रचिन्छ?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. The characterization of a person as beauty is, I think, based on some considerations. The characterization of a person as beauty is, I think, based on some consideration of inner beauty, which includes psychological factors such as personality, intelligence, grace, politeness, charisma, integrity, elegance, and congruence, whereas outer beauty, which includes personal attributes based on aesthetic basis. So, I believe that if a person possesses all these qualities, then he or she constitutes true beauty. Thank you.
Thank you, Priyanka Subedi. So I would like to call Bliss Dhakal to move forward for her question answer round. With this, I would like to request Mrs. Jai Subha Manandar ma'am to ask question.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay, first of all, congratulations, selected for top 10 rank.
Thank you very much.
Okay, are you ready for questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you were given the chance to give something from the past, what would it be? प्रश्न नेपालीमा यदि तपाईलाई बितेका समयमा केही परिवर्तन गर्नु पर्यो भने तपाई के परिवर्तन गर्न चाहनुहुन्छ? प्रश्न बुझ्नुभयो?
Yes.
Okay, all the best.
Thank you for a wonderful question, ma'am. Life is beautiful. Next time you look at yourself. Look at a cow, a dog, a bird, or even a snail or a mosquito. The ultimate masterpiece of God is life. Life is so complex, perfect, yet so fragile. I brilliant man. And last year, my uncle had a stroke at a young age of 32 years. Unfortunately, he is cured. And by the grace of God, I know he will be normal again soon. But the sorrow of the sickness was unbearable to all of us, especially to my mom. And if I got an opportunity to change something from my past, then I would prevent my mama from that stroke. Thank you.
Thank you, Bliss, for your wonderful answer. So next, I would like to call Senjia Guru to move forward for her question and answer round. I would like to request Dr. Ramji Sharma to ask Senjia a question.
Hello, Dr. Singapour. Are you ready for a question?
Yes, sir.
Alright, sir, let me take this opportunity to welcome you to the stage and
Thank you, sir.
congratulate you also in advance. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Alright. But don't start the question before I finish it totally, okay? I'll repeat the question in the Pali as well.
Okay, sir.
So, first, which language you choose?
English.
English, alright. So, I guess you are one of the first learner today. The question is very simple. Okay, here it goes. If you had to pick one current social problem we have in our society, what would it be and how would you try to be a champion of change? Did you get my point? Right. Then I'll repeat that in Nepali as well, and then we can start. So did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Right. So let me translate this in Nepali as well. And नेपालीमा यस्तो तपाईको लागि यदि तपाईलाई हाम्रो समाजमा विद्यमान कुनै एउटा समस्याको समाधान गर्नु परेमा उक्त समस्याको समाधान कसरी गरी तपाई नायक बन्न सक्नुहुन्छ अथवा चाहनुहुन्छ?
Firstly, thank you for your question, sir. If I had to pick one current social problems that we have in our society is corruption. Corruption has run in all the institutions as has adversely affect to everyone and everywhere. We can see the roads, government of school are still in bad condition. It's been 4 years since the earthquake struck in Nepal, but it's been 4 years since the earthquake stopped. Money is collected in the gutter of corruption and stomach of our respected minister. For this case, I will take part in various organizations and gather people to share awareness and establish transparency in government. And I will have to contribute for the development of country. Taking bribe or giving bribe is both crime, so we should stop corruption. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Senjia Guru, for your wonderful answer. So next, I would like to call Saloni Pradhan to move forward for her question and answer round. For this, I would like to request Mrs. Babina Sharma to ask question.
Hello.
Are you nervous?
A little bit.
Okay. My question is, what was the hardest sacrifice you had to make when preparing for this pageant? नेपालीमा यो प्रतियोगिताको लागि तपाईले कस्तो किसिमको परित्याग गर्नु पर्यो?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. This pageant was a dream for me, and I'm become a part of this pageant to make my dream come true. I have done a lot of hard work to be successful for this pageant. I was a little bit nervous and I couldn't speak in front of a lot of mass. I built up my confidence from this pageant. I work hard. I even don't know how to walk in high heels. I learned to walk high heels perfectly. It was the determination of my organization team also. I'm so thankful for them for being such trainer to train me such a way. I have done a lot of hard work. I practiced to walk and smile in front of all masses. And I
forward and answer question. For this, I would like to request Mr. Vaibhav Paudel to ask a question.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Are you ready for the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What skills do you have that can help the society?
Thank you for the question,
Can I
sir.
have a repeat, please? तपाईँमा त्यस्तो के क्षमता छ जसले समाज परिवर्तन गर्न सक्छ?
Thank you for the question, sir. Everyone has the skills. जब कोही जन्मिन्छ उनीहरूमा केही न केही स्किल भएकै हुन्छ र उनीहरूले त्यो स्किललाई आफूले पहिचान्नु पर्छ। म पनि जन्मिएँ र मेरो पनि केही स्किल्स छ होला, तर अहिलेसम्म मैले त्यो चिन्न जानेको छैन। तर लाइफमा कुनै मोडमा मैले चिन्न सक्छु होला। तर अहिले जुन मलाई लाग्छ मसँग पोजिटिभ थिङ्किङबाट स्किल्स छ जसले गर्दा म चाहिँ मानिसहरूमा समाजमा पोजिटिभिटी फैलाउन सक्छु। उहाँहरूमा आफ्नो भनाइलाई पोजिटिभ तरिकाले राख्न सक्छु र त्यसले गर्दा मैले केही समाजमा परिवर्तनहरू गर्न सक्छु भन्ने लाग्छ। थ्याङ्क यू सर।
Thank you also Subedi for your answer. So next, I would like to call Sadiqa Shrestha to move forward and answer question. For this, I would like to request Mrs. Sarita Guru to ask a question.
Hi, Sadiksha.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I am fine.
You are looking good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Are you ready for the question?
Yes.
Okay, I'll ask you the questions in both English and Nepali.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your question goes like this. Which training class was the most effective among all the classes that you were provided and how? And then Nepalima, तपाईहरुलाई दिएको तालिमहरुमध्ये कुन चाहिँ तालिम बढी प्रभावकारी लाग्यो र कसरी?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. Every classes that I have in this present was a meaningful and memorable part of my life. From this present, I have learned to present myself, show my hidden talent, and know the true meaning of confidence, hard work, and dedication. And I think the best effective class that I liked in this present was my motivational class. From the motivational class, I have gained many experiences of the previous winner and learned to work hard to succeed in life, to never give up, and we should be the best person we can be. If one day we become a failure, then we could succeed. We surely will succeed in life. And this thing I have learned from this present. Not only a motivational class, but other classes. And the day we visit on Ghachok village was a memorable day. The day we spent on that day was really effective in my life and for my long life. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for your answer. So next, I would like to call Afridi Koirala. For this, I would like to request Miss Helen Karki to ask her questions.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Akriti.
Hello.
I'm excited and nervous.
I'm excited too and nervous too.
Okay, well, here's your question. What was the best part of this pageant that you would like to share with all?
Thank you for the question, miss.
नेपालीमा सुन्नुहोस् तपाईलाई यो सौन्दर्य प्रतियोगिताको सबैभन्दा मनपर्ने पक्ष के हो?
Thank you for the question, miss. Miss Asi Pokhara 2019 has created the precious moment in my life. All the days I spent with this pageant was unexpected.
beautiful. In this beauty pageant, I have gained the knowledge to face my challenge, to be more courageous to my dream. All the part of this training was extraordinary, but the best part that I would like to share with you all is about its social work. Yes, in this 2019, this beauty pageant had helped the underprivileged child of Kachuk, providing the necessary stationery needed for them. The happiness in the every child of Kachuk had taken my heart. All those little kids had taught me to be happy with what is around us rather than craving for the things that we don't have. All this beauty pageant training has been more effective and was the best part of my life. This beauty pageant had made me a social girl who is encouraged to help others who are in need. So all this was the best part of this beauty pageant I would like to share with you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Akriti Koirala, for your answer. So next, I would like to call Leena Champal for our question answer round. For this, I would like to request Mrs. Durga Guru to ask question.
Hello Lina,
Hello ma'am.
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And how about you?
You look so beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, I have a question for you.
Okay.
You listen question properly, then you can answer it.
Okay.
Do you believe your generation is being misjudged by social media in Nepali? अहिलेको सामाजिक सञ्जालले तपाईको पिढीलाई के साँच्चीकै न्यायोचित न्याय दिएको छैन भन्ने विश्वास गर्नुहुन्छ?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. I believe our generation is being misjudged by social media at some level. The only question is, how much of truth is there in social media? Or how much do you believe what you see in there? We see a lot of misinformation which are not fact-based. Lots of activities which are obviously true. If you are not careful, some clever people try to manipulate you and make you believe things which may not be right. In conclusion, I find it sad that most people from my generation is obsessed with unnecessary things in social media rather than the reality. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Leena Champal, for your wonderful answer. So next, I would like to call or move forward JD Champal for a question answer round. For this, I would like to request Miss Prakriti Sakota to ask a question.
Hello Zini,
Hello, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you, ma'am. And how about you?
I'm good.
Okay.
Are you ready for the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the biggest challenge facing teens today? Should I repeat the question? What is the biggest challenge facing teens today? अहिलेका किशोर किशोरीहरूले सामना गर्नुपर्ने चुनौती के होला?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. The age start from 13 years to 19 years, each called the teenage. This is the beautiful age where the person can make or destroy their life. And the biggest challenge that is faced by the teens of today is the drawbacks of social media. सोशल मिडियाको राम्रो नराम्रो दुवै पक्षहरू छन्। यदि हामीले सोशल मिडियालाई एउटा राम्रो नजरले हेर्यौँ भने सोशल मिडियाको कारणले संसारलाई नै साँघुरो बनाइदिएको छ। मानव बीच मित्रताको भाव काँचिदिएको छ। एन्ड इफ वी टेक इट नेगेटिभली, जति पनि रेप, मर्डर, थेफ्ट, रोबरी, साइबर क्राइम जस्ता इन्सिडेन्ट्सहरू घटिरहेका छन्। The main cause happening such accidents and incidents is only social media. र जसको शिकार बन्न पुगेका छन् हामी टिन्सहरू। फर इक्जाम्पल, सोशल मिडियाको दुरुपयोग गरेर आजका टिन्सहरूलाई फेसबुक मार्फत विभिन्न नराम्रा भिडियोहरू पोस्ट गरेर ब्ल्याकमेल जस्ता गर्नुपर्छ Teens are the futures of tomorrow. That's why it is the duty of we all to aware them in time by counseling, by organized awareness program because prevention is better than cure. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Jeannie Chandral, for your answer. So next, last but not the least, I would like to call Ayush Magiri for a question answer round. For this, I would like to request Mrs. Sushma Shrestha to ask a question.
Hello. Hello. Hi Aishma. Hi ma'am. How are you feeling today?
I am feeling very excited.
Okay. So are you ready for the question?
Yes, ma'am.
So your question goes like this. How could you convince the audience and the board of judges that you deserve the title? तपाईँ उपाधिको हकदार हुनुहुन्छ भने दर्शक र निर्णायक मण्डललाई कसरी विश्वस्त पार्न सक्नुहुन्छ? Best of luck.
Thank you so much, ma'am. The person which I was before the training of Miss SE Program 2019, that shy, dull girl, to this confident, energetic girl who is standing in front of you all today, has been completely changed. I have built so much confidence within myself. I have put my all efforts making myself better each day. I have been so much focused and dedicated towards this pageant. Whatever